Hey guys, this is lesson 26 and let's go ahead and get started. So ratios and proportional relationships, and we're looking at number 1. So a local thrift store sold 15 shirts in 3 hours. Which of the following ratios is equivalent to the ratios of hours to shirts sold? Okay, so they want hours to shirts, and we sold 15 shirts in 3 hours. And to simplify that, right, both sides are divisible by 3, so it becomes 1 to 5. So our answer is B. Okay, let's look at number 2. The values in the table below are proportional. Fill in the missing number. Okay, so we are looking for this missing number right here. And so we are given the information that all the values in the table are proportional, right? And so, I mean, it's kind of obvious that 2 times 15 is 30, right? And then 7 times 15 is 105. 9 times 15 equals 135, right? And then the other way we could do 30 divided by 15 is 2. 105 divided by 15 is 7. And then 135 divided by 15 is 9. So we're going to do 60 divided by 15 to find the missing number. And that is 4. Okay. So finish number 3. And then let's move on to our next page. We're continuing with ratios and proportional relationships. And number 4, a box of 600 bulbs contains 3% of improper bulbs. How many improper bulbs are there in a box? Okay, so we have 600. And then 3% of them are improper. So we're going to do 3 over 100. Okay? Because that's 3%. So 600 times 3, it's 1800, and then that's over 100, okay? We can cancel out the zeros, and so 18 over 1 equals 18. So 18 bulbs are improper bulbs. Okay, so that's it for ratios and proportional relationship questions. Finish the rest of the questions, and then let's move on to the number system. So number 1, Mary served 9 pounds of salads in bowls of 3 over 4 pounds each. How many bowls did she serve? Okay, so this is a division question, right? And simply all we're doing is just 9 divided by this. And then, of course, we know when we're dividing fractions, we reciprocate, right? And that is 36 over 3, which equals 12. So she served 12 pounds each. Or, sorry, not pounds, 12 bowls. There we go. Okay. So, try the rest on your own. And then, let's move on to our last page. Expressions and equations. So number 1, there are passengers in each of 3 trains. And the total number of passengers is 3n. Which of the expressions also represents the total number of passengers? Okay, so we're looking for an expression that represents the total number of passengers, which was 3n, right? So let's find the sum of each then, right? I mean, Okay, well, it's pretty obvious that it's D, right? Because n plus n equals 3n, right? So our answer is D. That's it. Finish the worksheet, and here's your answer.